I'm gonna come back over here. Okay, and we're going to set a program origin and 0 my axis. And then we just check and make sure that we fit everywhere. So good there, good there. Good there. And then once we've done that, machine's on, air is on, everything is on. All we gotta do is hit start. What's up guys, welcome to another episode of Sparky Built. Today we're gonna go and use our Langmeyer Crossfire Pro to cut out a little stainless knife blank. We're gonna sharpen it and throw a little paracord handle on there. So hang out with us. Appreciate you guys sticking around.
That part, they cut the freaking huge neck.
Some of those needle hooks? I'll wait for the air to turn. Alright, now we're gonna push That was a knife blank. We figured out with this stainless that it's super easy to bend. Like when you're grinding on it and all that.
Yeah.
It's super easy to warp it. So we're gonna just kind of clamp it down on the table and then hit it real light, you know what I mean? Knock the slag off of either side of it and then we can put a rough edge on it. What do you think, Justin? We can have us a knife in about 5 minutes or so.
Yeah, about 5 minutes.
No pocket knife, no problem.
8-inch total.
8-inch overall, yeah.
Yeah.
Paracord knife. I think I even have some paracord in my bag. I can wrap the handle on it. For not having an edge yet.
Yeah, it's pretty damn sharp.
It's got a thick blade though. Could probably take and actually grind that out a little more to take some of
The weight out of it.
yeah, but I like it.
See how balanced it is once you get the wrap on.
Yeah.
And then whatever needs to be taken off, we can do that.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Come on, help me, YouTube. So who is the dude?
C by S, paracord and more. How to make a paracord knife handle wrap.
Yeah, check it out, because we are. Hopefully we can replicate his work.
Highly doubt it.
Yeah. You're a few fries short of a Happy Meal there, bro.
That's no lie. Oh, I done missed a step here. What are we doing?
Damn
This
ADHD.
way. Why'd you do that?
Squirrel.
You could have tied it in a simple fucking knot. You didn't have to loop it all through all crazy and shit, bro.
Come on, man. This ain't that hard.
Apparently it is.
Are you not watching it, man? See, it's that simple.
That simple. Now we're
It is
gonna turn.
that simple.
He's going slow. I don't like how slow he's going.
Well, let's see if you can beat him.
Bring the left cord over the top of the right.
Come on, come on.
And left cord over the top of the right. Work it through. Alright. And now we'll pull it tight. Are we just doing that back and forth? Is that it?
I think that is it.
So then I go back to this side
Same.
and bring the left cord over the top of the right.
Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty. They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement.
I don't know why Tommy Lee Jones and Benicio del Toro had to make it look so hard making survival knives, man. We made one in about 30 minutes.
Don't know that they had a plasma cutter at their disposal, but yes,
I mean, it's Hollywood. They could have.
they could have. Could you imagine you go on Forge and Fire and drag your plasma cutter with you? Yeah, I got this, guys. Hold on.
Sir, this is called Forged in Fire, not Cut in Fire.
It is forged. Forged by that plasma cutter there. Same shit. Different fire.
Fire. That was a horrible idea.
I still regret that decision. And then you take left-handed scissors.
You would have left-handed scissors.
I am left-handed. And then we're gonna do that. And then
Great, you made a lanyard for a 3-year-old.
that's true. That is awfully small. Oh, that was a terrible idea. Why'd you let me cut it so short?
Dude,
There's no going back now. So
no, not at this point. Let's see how it cuts.
probably not that good.
Seriously, where's a piece of paper? Let's see how it cuts. Just
Not that good.
not that good, not that good.
No.
No, we definitely need to sharpen it some more.
Yeah. That's
But
thick.
not bad.
Let's see. Will it cut this way? There we go.
Yeah. Add a little pressure to it, it'll cut. Yeah, see the nice little cut in the table there?
Yes.
There we go. See?
Probably need to thin out the blade just a little bit towards the front and then bring that point up to it and then put it on a whetstone.
Yeah.
But all in all, it's pretty good. Not bad for a 5-minute knife.
Hell yeah.